Hey class, I just wanted to make another video real quick just showing you a different way of solving these kinds of proportion problems. I wanted to show you that vertical and horizontal relationship because a lot of the times that is going to be a very quick and easy go-to way of solving them. But if you're stuck and you need something that's always going to work, I'm going to show you guys this as well. So this is what we call cross products. You might have been taught this as the butterfly method, but it is it's a different way of finding out if things are proportional and even how to find a missing part of a proportion. So I just want to show you really quick how it works. So it basically takes the numerator and the denominator of the different ratios and you multiply them together. It's called the butterfly method because when you circle the products that you're going to multiply, I guess it kind of looks like a butterfly. I don't know. Um, but I'm going to take the 24 down here, and I'm going to multiply it by the 2 up here. So 24 times 2 gets me the number 48. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing with the other products. So I'm going to take the numerator of the first one and multiply it by the denominator of the second one this time. So I'm going to kind of flip it. 6 times 8 gets me 48. And because these two numbers are the same, that means, yeah, it's proportional. This is going to work for a lot of these. So the reason I have my calculator up here on the side is some of these I don't actually know what they are when I multiply them. Like if I do 18 or 15 times 8, I don't know what that is. So let's check. 15 times 8 gets me 120. So when I do 8 times 15 over here, or 5 times 18, I don't know why I'm having such a hard time saying those. If I do 5 times 18 over here, I should also get 120. So let's check. 5 times 18. No, it gives me 90. Whoa. So because it gave me 90, because the numbers are different, it's bad. It's not proportional, right? I want it to be the same number, but because it's a different number down here, it ends up being not proportional. I think you guys get the idea. I just want to show you really quickly how it can be used to help you solve for missing information, and this can help you with the word problems down here as well. So let's say I have this proportion up here. So I want to do my cross products. So I'll do my 12 times x, my 4 times 27. Well, I know what 4 times 27 is, or maybe Desmos knows what 4 times 27 is. It's 108. So when I do 4 times 27, I get 108. Cool. I need to come up with something on the other side. So let's do 12 times x. Well, because I don't know what 12 times x is, I can't write down a number. I'm just going to have to leave it as 12x. So I have a 108 on one side, 12x on the other side. Remember, this is a one-step equation, guys. If I want to find out what x is, I can isolate my variable. And if you forget, we'll practice more of this in class, but I can isolate my variable, do those inverse operations. I know if I'm doing 12 times x, the opposite would be to divide by 12. 12 divided by 12 equals 1, so I cross it out, and I'm left with x equals whatever 108 divided by 12 is. Not totally sure, so let's check. 108 divided by 12, 9. So my answer is 9. So it's a very quick way of figuring out these without recognizing that relationship. I'll show you guys one more time. Let's do this decimal one because this decimal one's a little funky. So I'm going to start by doing 33 times 0.5. Let's just double check Desmos. 33 times 0.5 gets me 16.5. Cool. That's going to be equal to whatever 11 times w is. I do not know what 11 times w is because I don't know what w is. So I can only write it down as 11w. Next, I'm going to divide by that number in front. I'm going to divide by that coefficient. And I end up with w is equal to whatever 16.5 divided by 11 is. 16.5 divided by 11 gets us that 1.5 from before. So finding that vertical and horizontal relationship is good, but this cross products method will always work as well.